My dear students, welcome back to online GK class. This is part 4, chapter 5, Body and Health. We will go through the remaining part of the chapter. B. Given below are some of Raj's habits. Color the circle blue if it is a good habit and green if it is a bad habit. I sleep without brushing my teeth. It's a bad habit. We should color the circle with green color. I wake up early in the morning to exercise. It's a good habit. We should color the circle with blue color. I use a handkerchief to wipe my nose. It's a good habit, so we should color the circle with blue color. I sleep for 8 hours in the night. This is a good habit, so we should color with blue color. I do not wash my hands before eating. It's a bad habit, so we should color the circle with green color. Here are mentioned few types of healthy and unhealthy food. Let us go through that. We need to eat different kinds of food to stay healthy and fit, but not all types of food are healthy. Look at the pictures and draw a smiley if the food item is healthy. Here they have given two types of smileys, and one is expressing happiness and other one is sad. The first one given is a kurkure something food. It is a junk food. It is not healthy, so we can put a sad smiley. The second one is fruits. That is very healthy, so we can put a happiness smiley. And third one is vegetables. Vegetables are good and it is good food, so we can put a happiness smiley. And third one is also milk. We can put a happiness smiley. And fifth one is a donut. It is not healthy food, and we will show a sad smiley. And next one is also sixth one is chips. It is also not good for health, so we will put a sad smiley. Next one is banana with oats, and it is good, so we will put a happiness smiley. Another one is burger. It is also not good health. It is not a healthy meal, so we will put a sad smiley. Chapter 6, Inventions. We will go through some equipments and the people who invented it. The first one is telephone. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Second one is radio. Radio was invented by Guglielmo Marconi. And third one is Band-Aid, which was invented by Early Dixon. Fourth one is penicillin, was invented by Alexander Fleming. Fifth one is computer, which was invented by Charles Babbage. Sixth one is photos, which was invented by Joseph N. Nepis. Sixth one is Benz car, invented by Carl Benz. Eighth one is television, which was invented by J.L. Baird. Exercise B. Look at the pictures and identify some popular gadgets used in the world today. Pick your answers from the help box. The first one is fitness tracker. Second one is tablet. Third one is GPS. Fourth one is Bluetooth speaker. And fifth one is smart TV. Sixth one is smartwatch. And the last one is hard driver. C. Read the clues to identify some unique inventions in the field of transport. Pick your answers from the help box. First one. This large watercraft is capable of working while being completely underwater. Answer is submarine. This vehicle can travel over land, water, mud, ice, air, and other surfaces. Answer is hovercraft. This public transport resembles a train and is found in big cities. Metro. This automobile runs on rechargeable batteries. Answer is electric car. This is a railway in which the track consists of a single rail. Monorail. Answer is monorail. Chapter 7. Waste management. Here the chapter is discussing about how we can dispose the waste or the waste management. What is organic waste? Any waste that comes from plants or animals such as food waste and vegetable peels are called organic waste. They can be turned into manure. So, we should be very careful with our waste management. Some types of waste we can be used as manure, and we should have a waste management system in our homes. Recyclable waste. Any waste which can be reused to make a new product is called recyclable waste. There are some waste that we can be reused, or we can make it or convert this as another product. That is what we are calling recyclable waste. Reduce the amount of waste you produce at home. There are few tips that can be followed to reduce the waste in our house. Buy only those things which you need. Carry a bag when you go shopping. Give away things which you do not use anymore. Dear students, this is an important tips you have to follow. When you are purchasing something, only the necessary thing you should have to purchase. And whenever you are going for a purchase, remember you should carry a bag and avoid getting plastic. So you have to avoid using plastic. Also, you should always manage a bag. Bag may be made up of cloth. Reuse the things that end up as waste but can be used again. Use all wrapping paper to wrap gifts. Use cloth bags instead of plastic bags. Write on both sides of the paper. Okay, these are other tips to reuse the things. Can you sort the waste by putting it in the correct dustbin? Color the circle according to the box given below. Here they give 3 types of dustbins. We can put dry waste, wet waste and non-recyclable waste. We will go through the waste items. The first one is glass bottles that should go to dry waste. Second one is plastic and a Coca-Cola bottle, and these can also put in dry waste. Third one is a newspaper, and this one also should go to dry waste dustbin. And this fourth one is eggshell. It should go in wet waste bin. And fifth one is vegetable waste. It should also go to wet waste. Sixth one is diaper. It should go to non-recyclable waste. Chapter 8, Around the World. Read the clues and fill in the blanks with the correct answer. Pick your answers from the help box. This is the most populated country in the world. Answer is China. Second one is, this country is home to the Great Barrier Reef. Answer is Australia. This is the world's largest country. Russia. Fourth one, this country has a maple leaf on its national flag. Answer is Canada. This is the world's smallest country, Vatican City. Sixth one, the flag of this country has 50 stars which represent the 50 states of the country. Answer is United States of America. This country would be a desert without the Nile River. Answer is Egypt.